Hey, I'm Rakibul, lead UX UI designer at Pansi Studio, and today I am going to present to you this dashboard. It's Alyze, a real-time site analyzer dashboard which, which gives you traffic overview at a glance and with totally visually and modern functionalities. So let me tell you here this chip pages showing the percentage of traffic, here the activity duration, how much go on the reach down, the site visitor bounce rate. So here I just put it the demo content, and this is average page visit. Look, this icon is presenting that anonymous views or everything else, like where they visiting, and I just use this icon in a fun way that someone is visiting out of our universe. And this is field interaction and race clicks. So from here, by clicking into this drop down, you can change the page or your workspace, I mean organization, or the site you added. Currently you are visiting, so you can change from here. And here are the filter, and this is totally showing for 24 hour. And if you need to say 2 day, then 7 day, 30 day, 90 day, 1 year, or custom ranges. And this is a shape filter. So we can create custom filters here by clicking. When we get to click here, then it will show a drop down, then we can save our custom filters here. So let me tell you the sidebar. So here is the active one dashboard, and under the category inside, here have charts, replay, heat map view. When you get into this, there will have a heat map view. Here is visitor, and in the data category, here have visitor, event click, or when clicking with mouse on the button, or where the visitors are clicking. And this is integration. And in the manage section, here have workspace and site settings, and this is user settings. And here have notification, quick notification for help and profile. So totally this is a made for admin dashboard. And now here the visitors over time, how many people visited. So here is the overview. And this is just a demo design, and this is totally a modern design. If I zoom here, you can see this is a modern design I tried to apply it. And here is showing the top pages view, landing page, price, pricing, solution, blogs, articles. So, and here the top countries view and top sources. And I'm sorry to say, I I have not edited this content, but however. And this is traffic map, where the traffic coming from. This is the traffic map. And here is zoom out and zoom in for us watching this into this map. So overall, this is Alyze I designed, and this is for a website traffic overview dashboard for admin purpose. So I wanted to present it to you, and if you find this helpful, then hope you will appreciate it. And if I need to changes here, please leave me a comment. I would really appreciate your valuable suggestions. Thank you so much.